Welcome back, YouTubers. It's a Thursday night. I'm basically doing a long weekend this weekend. I'm taking 3 days off from work. Well, 1 day off work and then making a long weekend. So this is technically my Friday. So I brought in my brother's 2016 Malibu Chevy Malibu Limited 2.4 liter, I believe it is. Silver in color, yada yada yada. Anyway, he's got a massive, massive transmission leak. I went down to Walmart, bought pretty much every one they had for this particular car that wasn't like $12 a bottle. They don't have any 4-liter ones. Canadian Tire doesn't have any 4-liter ones unless you want to pay an arm and a leg for it. The only one that I saw at first was a 20-gallon transmission fluid, and I'm like, I'm not doing that much of a flush. I'll take years to go through that bottle. It's not 20 gallons, 20-liter tub. So I bought 6 liters of whatever thing. It was on sale for $5 a bottle. So we'll go with that. It's technically made for GM. It was GM, Ford, and everything else. So I went, well, $5 a pop. Threw 2 of it in there and gunned it. This was sitting out in front of my house because the tow truck driver couldn't park it on the yard. So, or in my driveway. Because it was at a weird angle for him to get it off the flat deck. So I said, well, I'll just put it out front. So my front sits like 3 or 4 inches lower than the sidewalk, so I wasn't sure if this thing was actually going to get up and go. So I threw 2 liters into it and shot for the moon. So I probably have a piss trail from the front of my yard all the way around to the back driveway, where I do actually see it coming up the driveway. And this is the aftermath. That's coming in from the front yard to get up onto my ramps. Ignore that. I gotta redo that. The car slipped sideways when I went up because this thing was hemorrhaging so much. The ramp moved. So yeah, this thing is pissing out so bloody bad. But I did find the leak. The leak, believe it or not, is, where the hell are you? The leak, get out of the way, is right here. That O-ring is hemorrhaging oil all over the top of this transmission. So this line here, it goes to transmission cooler. The one in the back down here is a transmission cooler. And then this retarded pipe, wherever the fuck it does from here and goes to here. Goes down underneath the transmission mount and then just comes back to here. That's all that pipe does. And it is pissing out of that one. So I got to replace the O-ring on that. But she needs a bath in the worst way. And a transmission flush. As you saw, that transmission fluid is supposed to be black, or nice crisp red, and it is as black as my soul. So yeah, this is a project in the making. So this is what I'll be working on. Just driving it from the front yard to the backyard, I've got the knowledge, or I've got a sound already that it's a bearing, and it sounds like it's passenger rear, and it is making an atrocious noise. I am surprised the wheel hasn't come off yet. We are going to have discussions about this, and I'm sure the driver's side one's not far behind. The maintenance on this car, other than oil changes, has been very slim, I'm sure. But yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. So at least 1 rear bearing, possibly 2. That O-ring if I can get the whole line with two O-rings, I'll probably end up doing that. It'll probably be cheaper than finding an O-ring. And giving this thing a hefty bath. Engine degreaser, the whole shebang, and the whole undercarriage is just covered. But yeah, that's the next project. I still have the project from hell. Yeah, he's not getting weekends. I'll probably do maybe the rest of that Sunday afternoon, get the front end on it, and drive it out, get it out of my way, and bring my truck in on the side of that. Or bring in the other truck and work on the rear brakes and see if I can get it safety. Don't know yet. Just too many fishes in the fire here. But yeah, this is what we're doing, and we'll get on this. I'll bring you along when I get the parts for it.